Just arrived, the new Apex SYXmoto 49cc 2-cycle pocket rocket for the next generation of riders and for a little racing next year. And about 55 pounds. That'll come right out of there. We'll set this down right here and take a look. Fresh out of the box. And here's what comes with it. Your mixing bottle for your mixed fuel. You'll have to mix 2-cycle oil, 25 to 1. Owner's manual. There's your windshield, your kickstand. So we'll put this together and be right back. Alright, the kit comes with all the wrenches that you'll need to tighten everything up. And not that they're the best, but it does come with a wrench. I've been using my own. But just to show you, it does come with 3 wrenches and a few other tools to put it together. And handlebars are done. Your keys will be down in here on a clip. And I've got to loosen this chain just a little bit because it's way too tight. So read your instructions on how to put it together and don't be in too much of a hurry. Now I got pretty small hands, but as you can see down inside there, the easiest thing is to put that nut that's going to be on the back side of that screw and hold it with a pair of vice grips in place. That worked the best for me. Alright, one of these little crescent wrenches works really good to get on the back side of that windshield. Alright, so we got the chain adjusted and everything's put together. Now we just got to put a little bit of oil in here. It's all marked out 576 up to 600. Make sure that's right on the line. Alright, so you'll get a tank of gas out of that bottle. Turn it to the on position. Hear the power. There you go, guys. Have fun.